Well, hello my lovelies, and you join me in the thriving metropolis known as Alfreton, and we are on our way on a cheeky little mission to MGF Graham to get a couple of little improvementy bits for Wetleg. Specifically, we are going to get a leather armresty thing to replace the black plastic one, and a fully functional sun visor, passenger side, to replace the floppy woppy one. For those who don't know, Graham is an amazing source of spare parts for the F and TF. Nice and easy to find. You'll see him advertising on all of the Facebook groups and on Facebook Marketplace, and he's already helped me out with the aerial base and some rather lovely mats for Wetleg. So these will be some lovely further improvements. I can never remember which house it is. Might be this one. Well, mission successful, and if it's not raining tomorrow, I shall fit my lovely new items to Wetleg. I'm really pleased with those. God, I do hate stupid dogs in stupid coats. Invariably owned by women. A man would never put a dog in a coat. Hello my lovelies. Now today I'm going to do a quick video about some improvements to Fräulein Wetleg Von Tittybiscuits here. Now you may remember that when we collected her, the aerial was broken, but it was broken at the base, so you couldn't just put another aerial on it. I managed to source a replacement base, and even more extraordinarily, I managed to fit it successfully. And this is just a cheap £2 eBay beasting that's doing the job for now, not as well as the original. I will source a full length original aerial, and that will be fitted at some point. But that was a job well done. I also bought some genuine MG mats, which now, after Monday's road trip, need a bit of a clean. But there were no mats at all in Wetleg, so to get hold of some original ones at a very reasonable price as well is really good news. I'm delighted with those. Now last night in my live stream I got rather excited about a new leather armrest and cubby, as we can see from this short clip here. I messaged him and I said, I'll have this and that. Are you in tonight? I'll nip round. And he replied as normal, that yeah, give me a bell in case I have to go out. And I delivered some food to Alfreton, and he lives in Swanwick, or Swanwick, if you prefer to pronounce it incorrectly. And sometimes I do. Sometimes I also like just saying buttocks. 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 It's very pleasurable. And, you know, in an uncertain world, we have to grasp pleasure wherever we can. Although you shouldn't grasp somebody else's pleasure without their permission. You'll be arrested by a constable. Well, I'm going to show you these before I go to the comments, because I'm really excited about this. Now, what you've got here, my darlings, fucking look at that. That is incredible. So now, let's fit it. Okay, it's going to be off with the old. This is the original armrest stroke cubby. Nice and plasticky. And it's going to be on with the new. Look at this. A beautiful leather upgrade that I've treated with hide food and with lashings of this stuff. And it's come up beautifully. It's just going to need a final polish and that is going to look awesome. Spot the difference. And it's actual leather. It smells and everything. And an added bonus, these are the original, in inverted commas, cup holders, which aren't really cup holders. They're slight indentations, if that. But these are the new ones. Actual cup holders. Fabulous. And it's just a much higher quality item. It weighs 15 times as much and it's going to be a great upgrade. Right, let's go and get this fitted. That's the leather armrest and cubby fitted. And I think you'll agree, it looks fabulous. And cup holders. I'm absolutely over the moon with that. What a brilliant upgrade. But I'm not finished there. Oh no. Once again, it's off with the old. In this case, this floppy, woppy, knackered, dirty passenger sun visor. I'll close then. And it's going to be on with the new. Guaranteed non-floppy. Let's go and get it fitted. And that is a good job. Well done. No more floppy wet leg. Hurrah! Oh, and I properly refitted the mirror handle. So, there we go. The next job will be to replace this perfectly functional, but let's face it, fairly awful, cheap Chinese driveless onboard gramophone. And I've selected the unit that's going to replace it. It is a modern unit, an entry-level Alpine, which does everything that I want it to do in terms of its Bluetooth. It has a USB thing, but I selected that one because it offers a colour choice in the display that exactly matches the original unit that would have been fitted in this car. The only slight problem with that plan is I can't afford to buy it, so I need to work on blagging a free one from Alpine in exchange for a video lauding its praises. So wish me luck on that one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Ooh, leather.